These are automatic wire strippers. These are gauged wire strippers. And these are wire strippers or cutters. We are going to use gauged wire strippers for this. First, you clamp down on the wire, making sure that you use the right sized wire hole so that way you don't cut the wire in the process. Next, you use a slight force to pull the plastic coating off the wire. Repeat it on the other side of the wire. And this is what it should look like when it's done. This is how to do Anderson connectors. For this, you'll need crimpers, the metal part of the Anderson connector that goes on the inside, and the plastic part of the Anderson connector that goes on the outside. You want to start out with previously stripped wire and place the metal part of the Anderson connector onto the crimpers like so. You then stick the stripped wire into the Anderson connector and crimp down with a slight force. When you're done, give it a little pull to make sure that it will stay on. Then you want to put the metal part inside the plastic part and push until you hear a clicking noise. This is what it should look like when it is done. Next, we are going to learn how to make ring connectors. For this, you'll need string tubing, a ring connector, and crimpers. You'll want to strip your wire and make sure that you put your heat shrink on before you add the connector. Place the connector into the crimpers and attach to the wires. Then crimp down. Remember to pull on the ring to make sure that it stays. Use the heat gun to shrink the tubing. Remember to be very careful because this can get hot very quickly. This is what the finished product will look like.